Education in the age of AI, bringing humanity to a greater level. The education sector is not spared from the impact of artificial intelligence AI. High capabilities can help and have the potential to change Indonesia's education system. The results of an analysis by Kompas found that AI capabilities will now help detail 33% of jobs in the education sector. It is estimated that 2 million people out of a total of 6.3 million workers in the education sector will be assisted by AI. Education policy expert from Jakarta State University, Unifa Rosidi, acknowledged that AI can replace some of the tasks of educators. This intelligent machine, honestly, can take over even the most complex learning processes. This also undermines the paradigm of learning in schools, said Unifa Rosidi, an education policy expert who is also the chairman of the Indonesian Teachers Union, on Tuesday, June 13, 2023 in Jakarta. For Unifa, AI has the potential for such significant transformative power. Compared to previous technological disruptions, such as computers or even calculators. Also read, high-need science, technology, engineering and mathematics. This AI requires a shorter time, but its progress is exponential and cannot be predicted. AI can broaden our horizons on various things and cannot be caught up by our brains. However, it also weakens our critical thinking skills, said Unifa. Thus, according to Unifa, there needs to be a repositioning of the role of the education system and teachers. Teachers are no longer seen as the source of learning materials, but rather as mediators and dialogue partners for students in understanding the subject matter. According to her, it is important for teachers to work together with students to stimulate critical thinking from learning contents that may later be conveyed by AI. Teachers need to show students how to think critically, how to make strategic decisions, and how to train emotions and empathy, said Unifa. The ability to be emotional and empathic is something that AI cannot do. In OpenAI's research examining the impact of ChatGPT on the job market entitled GTTS or GTTS, an early look at the labor market impact of large language models, industrial sectors that require direct human interaction, namely social assistance or the social service sector, is the sector with the lowest disruption, compared to other sectors such as banking or telecommunications. This AI requires less time, but its progress is exponential and cannot be predicted. AI can broaden our horizons on various matters and cannot be matched by our brains. However, it also weakens our critical thinking skills.